This is the elevator at Quality, the now Quality Inn, formerly Baymont Inn and Suites, and then Holiday Inn Express on Cornhusker Highway, Lincoln, Nebraska. This is the ThyssenKrupp with Aurora fixtures, 8M Aurora fixtures. So last daytime, we did a daylight ride. So we're gonna do a night ride. So here we go. It's right here. 2. This is my first ever Twilight take. Telescoping holeless hydraulic. What a motor! 1 ThyssenKrupp trick. Instant door close. It's a nice elevator. Nothing too special. Fixtures, your phone. ThyssenKrupp elevator. Elevator number 1, 2,100 pounds capacity. Inspection. That's way back in a couple years ago. ThyssenKrupp. Oh, we need one more ride. 2. Now listen to the motor. See, the numbering is kind of like an Otis, like a font, like in the data folder.
Oh man, are you gonna come up?
I'm just riding the elevator.
Oh, okay.
I'm just a hobby.
Okay.
Because John filmed this elevator back in 10 years ago. It has glass, and this elevator is a telescoping holeless hydraulic. These fixtures, these are called 8M Aurora fixtures. Kind of like in skyscraper. There's your inspection. It's a ThyssenKrupp. It's 2,100 pounds. It's made by ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas. There it goes. Listen to the motor. There goes the motor. All right, that was it. That was the first Twilight take.
Okay, we're going to do a vending machine now.
Let's get in the video right here.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.
Okay.